The craving for perfect society is due to subconscious belief in individualism. All existence exists in the consciousness of an individual. The polity of a society is a mechanism to fulfill the common needs of the society and sections of the society which cannot be fulfilled individually. So, a society suffers if its polity does not have the right persons. By right person, I mean someone who is a problem solver and a lover of humanity. Plato, in his Republic, discusses how to drag even the unwilling right persons into the polity. Indian democracy is replete with examples where even the willing right persons could not make it to the legislative bodies. We speak of a nation only because it is the largest society in which enforceable rights exist. The $1 million question now is this: is it possible to create a system in which every willing right person can participate in the political decision making, even if his political views are of minority? I claim the first step is to have a consolidated law for the creation and functioning of political parties. The second step would be reforming the second schedule. I shall present my arguments later. Until then, consider these questions. Can we not have political parties at national, provincial, and district levels with their domains listed in the 7th schedule? Is it not that the national government should do only those things which only a national government can do? Should a national political party contest at state level? Should a political party, whether recognized or not, have permanent election symbol as its identity when there is already its philosophy as its identity? Should not so-called national political party mention as a statutory requirement their policies like defense policy, foreign policy, economic policy, research policy, etc., so that we can choose to vote or join? Don't we have right persons to make decisions at state and district level for matters appropriate at that level? Should we not have opposition in the cabinet rather than in the parliament or legislative body because the actual decisions are made in the cabinet? Kindly think. Thank you.